Hello friends, welcome back to our channel which is Craft Queen by AS. Today we will make a unique craft, a dream catcher. So let's get started. We need glue, ribbon, scissor and cardboard. If it is colored or written something, there will be no problem. Take a protector and a pencil, make a circle with it. After that, cut the circle with the help of a scissor. Then take a ribbon, cut in any length, round around the circle as showing in the video.
"2,000 years later."
Cut wool in different length to hang feathers in it. Then tie a knot. Stick the feather with the help of a glue. We will stick the feathers in both sides. Now we have to take another color of feather. Now we have to tie a knot with a pink wool. Take any wool and take out from that pink wool, tie a knot with it.